In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 5 reasons why I love using WishList Member. Coming up. Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Mac, and in today's video I am going to be talking about WishList Member and specifically talking about the 5 main features that I love. But before we get started, I'd like to remind you that if you buy WishList Member using my affiliate link, I will give you access to my membership course that teaches you how to create membership websites from scratch. All you have to do is to buy WishList Member using my affiliate link. And once you've done that, just let me know that you've bought it by providing me also your receipt or attaching the receipt itself to funnelstoincome.com. On the bottom right hand, there's a chat bubble. If you click on that, you'll be able to send me a message. All right, guys, let's dive in and let's talk about my 5 features. So what I'm going to do here is to switch over to my website because I've already gone in and installed WishList Member. So my very first feature, or rather what I really like about WishList Member, is the UI. So as you can see here with my installation of WishList Member, I'm on my dashboard. So I like the fact that everything is so clean, very easy to look at, easy on the eye. And when you're running a membership website, this is very important because you want to know what is happening on your website in terms of stats and quick buttons to let you move around. And as you can see on this particular page here on the dashboard, you can see how many members on your website. You can also see how many have canceled, how many are active, how many needs approval. So every morning I would definitely come here and see who needs approval, how many are unconfirmed, and I can go in and work on those things if I need to. Now over here on the right, we also have support, and I really like this because sometimes you can get stuck. So it's easy for you to get to your tutorials, the documents, and even the support itself. And then over here, you obviously want to make sure that you're running the latest update of WishList Member. So you want to come over here and check for updates. Okay, so I'm not going to go ahead and check for updates right now. So this is pretty much the UI. And then if you come over here to setup, you can see it's very, very easy to use. So setup is where you get to add all your membership levels. So adding a membership level, just click on this plus button, you give it a name, and away you go. And then over here, we also have integrations, and I am going to go into detail with the integrations because this also is one of my features. Now over here on integrations, in fact, this is the second reason, okay? Integrations. So as you can see here, the integrations are just way too many. Not that it's a bad thing, but if you're a user, you have so many integrations on your fingertips. And this is really good because sometimes when you find a very good plugin or a very good tool, what it may lack is the integrations, and that could be the make or break when it comes to using that particular plugin. But when it comes to WishList Member, it is very, very integrated with so many services. For example, payment providers, you can see here we have Woocommerce, first shopping cart, to checkout, and so on. And there are definitely more coming through that are going to be also added over here. And if we take a look here at email providers, we also have a lot to work with. So this is also really, really good. And on other services, now I didn't know this, there's also other things that can be integrated with WishList Member. And you can see here we have BuddyBoss, which I really, really love. In fact, I've done a video talking about the integration with BuddyBoss. Anyway, moving on, we have LearnDash as well. So if you want to run an online course website, you can see here LearnDash is there as well, and also integrates with page builders. You can see Elementary is here, and I'm pretty sure Divi will be coming here soon as well. So as you can see, there's also Slack. So Slack is really cool. You get notified when someone signs up for your courses or any action happens on your website. So this is really cool. In fact, I need to create a video where I set this up. But the main reason why I'm here on the integrations is to really take a look here at WooCommerce. Now, when it comes to membership plugins, WishList is the one that makes it very, very easy to integrate with WooCommerce because on the actual products page, I can go in and automatically assign them to a membership level as soon as they buy. And not only that, I also use cart flows for my funnels, and it makes it easy for me to go in and create my funnels for all my products. So this is one of the features that I really, really like. Now, back to BuddyBoss. So when it comes to BuddyBoss as well, I briefly mentioned that it is very easy to go in and integrate with BuddyBoss. And one of the main things that I like about it is when someone signs up for a membership level, you can automatically assign them to a group. And this is huge because you can just imagine how long it will take for you to just manually assign people to groups, and it's just a pain. So the fact that you can automate it, it is really, really good. In fact, let me just briefly show you how this would work. So over here on other services, you can see we have BuddyBoss. So as I mentioned, I already created a group, And I also have membership levels, which you can see here. So you can just say, okay, you know what? I want to add VIP members to the VIP group. So the groups is sort of like a Facebook group, right? That's the best way to look at it. So this is like a social group. So if I were to come here to memberships, I can assign anyone that is added automatically to VIP members to go to this group. And you can see here it says add to group. I know it's confusing because I have VIP members here as a membership level, and I also have VIP members as a group, but this is how it would work. So this is really, really good because it just automates the whole system. So I really like this integration here because the combination of BuddyBoss, LearnDash, and WishList member, it's a match made in heaven. I really like it. Okay, so the next one is LearnDash. So let's head over here to other services. So LearnDash is another one. So this one here is really cool. What you can do is set it up in such a way that when someone buys a course, they are automatically assigned to that membership level. And again, this makes the automation of your system really, really easy to set up, and pretty much you won't need to go in and manually do anything because everything is all tied in really, really well. And WishList member, as I mentioned earlier on, is doing a lot behind the scenes to integrate with a lot of services. So I would think, in fact, right now, I think that is the best membership plugin out there right now as we speak, and it keeps getting better. And there's also other features that are going to be added coming soon. So I'm really, really excited about WishList member, and this is why I highly recommend them. So these are my 5 reasons why I love using WishList member. If you have any more that you can think about, you can add them in the video comments below. I'd like to see them too, how you use WishList member and what you like about WishList member. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.